A businessman wants to make an investment in a financial institution. He has identified two banks for that purpose. Okay, Bank A, right now Bank A offers an investment scheme with a compound interest J 0.8.41%, 0.0841, compounded semi-annually, M dia 2. While Bank B offers J dia 8.30%, means 0.083, compounded monthly, M dia 12. Determine which bank he should invest in. Okay, so you nak compare dari segi apa? Effective rate. Okay, good. Nak guna formula S equals to P1 plus I power N pun tak apa. Okay, so guna effective rate. Okay, kita nak tengok apa dalam effective rate ni. Kita nak tengok kadar dalam setahun between bank A dengan bank B ni. Since dia nak invest, kita nak tengok which bank offers the highest interest rate. Okay, alright, so I letak RA untuk bank A using this formula of effective rate. Okay, 0.0841 divide with 2 power with 2 minus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 0.0841 divided by 2 power with 2 minus 1. So you're going to get, I write down 4 decimal places first, 0.0859. Okay, so nanti dapat 8.59%. Okay, that is the rate for a year. Okay, let's check for bank B. Okay, 1 plus 0.083. Okay, 0.083 divide with the M is 12, so power with 12 minus 1. Okay, so what we going to get? Okay, 0.083 power with 12, power also 12. Okay, nanti you akan dapat 0.0862. Okay, or you may write down as 8.62%. So which bank you going to choose? B. Okay, so what should we answer? Determine which bank he should invest. Okay, he should okay, no, okay, got it. Should invest, okay, in bank B, because bank B offers higher interest rates. Okay, higher interest pun okay. Alright, that is question 7.